Juan, what are you hooking up?
So what I was trying to hook up is the pressure bleeder kit. So
Okay.
we take off the cap from the reservoir and we put in one of these attachments. However, all the attachments I have are too small for this one.
Okay.
They don't fit. What would normally happen is these make a airtight seal, and then they have quick disconnects where we connect the hose from the pressure bleeder. The pressure bleeder, you pump it, it builds pressure and it pushes the fluid for you.
Okay.
So it
So
provides.
instead of gravity bleeding.
Yeah, exactly. Or instead
Okay.
of having somebody to build pressure in the pedal, that provides constant pressure.
Nice. That's awesome.
That's what we were trying to do, but unfortunately we don't have one that fits.
Okay. So we might have to do it the old.
I think we're gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't have one that fits. Maybe somebody can push the pedal. So that was
The problem with that is
we do it at a time.
We don't have any gas in the car.
You can do it old-fashioned. Yeah, you can just do it.
I always do it running.
Yeah.
Always.
I mean, you get the you get.
Who drove a truck here? Does anybody want to
Pulling out my tire.
go get some gas?